Hi, this is the Lala Patterns Cleo blouse. I have done the v-neck version, focusing on getting a beautifully finished v-neck with the facing on a woven fabric. So we've really focused on getting that good in the sew along itself. There are 16 different versions of this pattern, so there's heaps of options for you, but I haven't focused on any of the other options because it's the V that was really important in this. So we've got some other nice features on this pattern. We've got the gathers, which gives you shaping in the front, so it's not just completely shapeless. We've got the nice little puff sleeves. This is the short sleeve version. We've got elastic in here, and I've done the fuller sleeve. We also, there's the back yoke and the gathers into the back yoke. This top, I think, would be really nice as a short dress. You could just lengthen the side, lengthen the bodice pieces, your front and back bodice, lengthen it into a dress. I think that would be a really nice kind of summer option. And just the way that the neckline is finished is beautiful, because the back neckline is also finished with the back yoke, so it's all really beautiful around the neckline, so it just gives you that kind of absolutely top-notch finish. So I look forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group soon.